girls stop that chattering. And all of you, take to your seats immediately. This kind of unruly behaviour will not be tolerated in my classroom. You should all count yourselves lucky to be attending school, when so many other children your age must go to work. Today, we shall continue with our usual study of the 3 R's: reading, writing, and arithmetic. To begin with, let us continue with our literacy. Read.
It is very important that children respect their elders. Children must carry themselves in grace at all times, considering God and their fellow man in all things they do. Children must keep themselves neat and hygienic.
The word is hygienic. Something you are not by the smell of you. Now get yourself into the corner and put on the dunce's hat. And face the wall so we do not have to look at you. You will all now repeat the final sentence. Children must keep themselves neat and hygienic.
Children must keep themselves neat and hygienic.
Good, that will do. You will now copy down the final sentence from the chalkboard as writing practice. What on earth are you waiting for? Have you forgotten how to write? Then use the tools in front of you. All right, children, we will continue with our writing after break. You may make your way outside in an orderly fashion.